Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel YT Studio. Today our topic is how to download any WhatsApp status video or photo. So friends, first of all you need to Play Store in your phone. Open the Play Store and search here status downloader and click on the search button. And after that open this application status downloader. See the icon of that application. You need to install that application in your phone. I already installed this application in my phone, so I don't need to install this application again. So after the installation of this application in your phone, click on the open button and open this application and see the recent stories. These are the those status that were seen by me in my WhatsApp application. Suppose and open my WhatsApp application. These are the status updates by my friends. When I see any status of my friends, suppose I see that status of my friend, this status will automatically be seen here. Okay friends, I see this status, this upper one status in my WhatsApp application. Here only those status are visible, those were seen by me on my WhatsApp application. So these are the download buttons, and this green buttons are the of download. After clicking on that button, you can download any status. Any status here. Suppose I click on that green button. This will be automatically saved in here. So now this photo and video will be automatically saved in my phone memory. So now here I can also share this photo another application. So this was that status photo which was saved by me recently, and this I also saved one video. This I also saved in my phone memory. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, share and comment on my video. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please first of all subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so that when I upload my next video, you will get the notification. Okay friends, thanks for watching.